Welcome to Brookberry Farm, a unique enclave in Winston-Salem, where life is lived with elegance, nature, and comfort. Built on the former estate of Bowman Gray Jr., Brookberry Farm preserves its historic essence in every corner. Its trails, lake, and green spaces invite you to enjoy nature every single day. Brookberry Farm offers first-class amenities, an Olympic-size pool to enjoy summer days. Tennis and sports courts, a fully equipped fitness center, and elegant spaces designed for gatherings and celebrations. Every detail has been designed for active family living, from playgrounds for the little ones to open plazas for quiet afternoons or social gatherings here. Every day offers something special. Brookberry Farm blends the best of both worlds, the serenity of nature with the convenience of being just minutes from Winston-Salem's finest schools, restaurants, and entertainment. Brookberry Farm is more than a neighborhood. It's a place to live fully, to grow, and to create unforgettable memories. Come, discover Brookberry Farm and make this lifestyle your next home.